If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Oregon Community Credit Union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Oregon Community Credit Union regarding your account verification. They may have sent instructions or additional information needed to complete the process. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Shark to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find any emails or the information in your account is correct, reach out to customer support. Use the contact number or chat option on their website to speak with a representative who can assist you. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation that may be requested by customer support. This could include identification or proof of address to help expedite the verification process. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any required information or documentation, follow up with customer support if you do not receive a confirmation within a few days. This ensures that your verification is being processed and helps avoid further delays. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If issues persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.